Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl O, and today I have a special treat for you. I have this gorgeous unit by the Stylist collection, which is exclusively sold at SAMSBEAUTY.com. Be sure to check them out in my description box for all links to purchase this unit and any details you will want to know. So this wig is, like I said, by the Stylist collection. It's their Invisible Lace HD 13x6 pre-plucked unit. You have the option to choose a brown lace, which I chose, or a translucent lace. The name of this unit is Tastee, and I have her in the color OET 1B/30. And do you see that parting spaces? Yes, you're getting your full 13x6 frontal effect with this unit. They didn't come to play, okay? So I'm starting off by using a little bit of my foundation right at the edge of the lace, just to make sure everything blends into my skin seamlessly. And I'm locking that in with a little bit of got to be glued spray in the blow dryer. Get into this hairline though. Yes, it does come pre-plucked nicely. However, if you're extra like me, then you're going to go ahead and grab your tweezers and just get it a little bit more customized, to your liking. Now let's get into this seamless, beginner-friendly application process. So start off by cutting away any excess lace. You want your unit to look as natural as possible. The next step would be to grab your adhesive. Now, if you are not the type of person who likes to adhere your wigs down with any adhesive, you might want to sew in an elastic band to make sure your unit fits tight to your hairline. And if you like, you can also pull out your natural hair. As for me, and the way I like to slay my wigs, I'm grabbing my got to be glued gel as well as the got to be glued spiking spray, and I'm going to adhere this baby down with my toothbrush and a blow dryer, and that will help this unit melt into your hairline. So go ahead and watch this application process. It's so easy and beginner friendly, and if you like to wear your unit for more than one day, this is perfect. You also can use a little bit of water to remove it at night, which I do suggest since this is a synthetic unit. It's the melt for me, sis, sir. It's the hairline for me. The Stylist has some of the most natural hairlines. Do you see that? Yes. Go ahead and repeat that same process on the other side of your head, and you will have your unit laid and slayed. Grab you an elastic band, tie that baby girl on, and that wig is going to be melted. Now the real fun starts. But first, let me show you the parting space. Do you see that? You can part it on either side or the middle, wherever you want to. The deep side part, like me, the parting space is endless because it's a 13x6 frontal unit, and the knots on this wig are really small. So this is a really quality unit. It's like of quality, and it's under 50 bucks. Where do they do that at? At SAMSBEAUTY.com, of course. Make sure you get this unit because she up there with Sensational's What Lace collection. She may just be a little bit better. I'm just saying. You heard that from me, but you didn't, but you did, okay? So I'm showing you guys how I make my parting space pronounced. I'm just using my NARS foundation to do that. And let's talk a little bit about this unit. So the cap construction is more than big head friendly, but it does suit any head size. And being that I do have a smaller head, all I had to do was cut off a little bit of the excess lace on the side, and I was winning. So 2 thumbs up for the Stylist because it suits everyone's head type. Love it, love it, love it. Now the texture on this wig. I said the texture on this wig. Y'all know I gotta get extra because I'm so excited about this wig. The texture is that kinky, yucky, natural texture that most of us love. It's personally my favorite texture because it mimics my natural hair. So I love that for me, okay? The length and the density are complementary to each other on this unit. It's not too full and it's definitely not thin. Now, it is summer, so this may not be an everyday unit for most, but for me, I'm extra, so I'll rock any unit any day of the year. However, sis could get a little bit hot in these California streets, so this may not be a summer unit for you. Just keep that in mind. I mean, I rocked her all day and I was fine. You can style this unit in many different styles, so that's definitely another plus about this unit. I'm going to say this wig is about 22 or so inches on me. I'm 5'2" for reference for anybody. And you see, sis, she falling. You see how she falling? She hitting now. She hitting that waistline. So she's fairly long. That concludes this effortless, beginner-friendly wig application. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you loved this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Become one of my cousins by subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video.